This is a new Jeep Wrangler, 3.5-inch lift kit, 37-inch tires, 20-inch Apocalypse Silver, 5-spoke wheels, side SoFlo steps. The whole truck is color matched in Anvil gray. It's got the front Gobi style bumper, Anvil gray with rigid cube lights and 3 center 6-inch lights, color changing LEDs with the updated grille, Mojave style hood, color matched, light bar up top. On the back you get the 5th tire, smoked out taillights. The interior is all weatherproofed, white with black hexagon stitch pattern. Same pattern exists on the dash. You have a switch pod for your lighting, the largest infotainment system Jeep offers, and that awesome seating pattern. Top comes off, doors come off. Beautiful.